Everyone, good morning all. Hello, in this opportunity, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Renal Hakim. I'm the eldest child in my family and I have one sibling. I was born in Duri Riau, 30 December 2001. Okay, I just explain some of the material that I understand this semester. Okay, material 1, definition of market mechanism. According to Idris, the Islamic system pays attention to the perfection of the market mechanism. Perfect market mechanism is the resultant of forces that are marked and impersonal, which is a natural phenomenon. Perfect competitive market can both produce fair price for seller or buyer. Type of market and principle in the market mechanism. 1. Perfect competition. 2. Monopoly. 3. Monopolistic. 4. Oligopoly. Okay, next material 2, market structural. Basically, where the word market, whiching of or place where goods are being bought and sold. 2 type of market structure. Perfect market is a market situation which consists of a very target number of buyers and sellers offering a genus product. 2. Imperfect market. In the imperfect market, in economic theory, imperfect composition is a type of market structure showing some but not all features of competitive market. Okay, material 3, fairness of entry and exit to market. Factors that can prevent on or independent newcomer into a market or industry sector and this limit competition. Main form of barriers: 1. Structural. 2. Strategic. 3. Statutory. Barriers of entry: 1. Economic of scale. 2. Hectare of cost. 3. Raising of advertising from other firms. 2. Sunk cost. 4. Anti-competitive practice. 5. Patent and licensing. 6. Health and safety protocols. Okay, next material 4, buying agency. Buying agency is when a producer creates a false demand. If there is a lot of demand for a product so that the selling price of the product increase. Example of buying agency: a trader in order to increase the selling price of the goods, he made several fictitious orders for this merchandise. The order is acted as a bargaining power in their transaction with their consumers, so that they can determine high price for their consumers. Law or buying agency. Buying agency is forbidden in Islam according to the hadith from Abi Hurairah RA that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Don't to talaki rukban, don't buy something that is brother has bow, don't buy and sell najasi, don't attend leave it down to naskri yaitu yatul ganam." Next, material 5, talaki rukban and game theory. Talaki rukban is also referred to as talaki asipai atom in fact muamalah, which describe the process of buying commodities as goods by interchanging people will bring their merchandise before going to the market, so that become by goods below the prevailing market price. Next, game theory. Game theory is theoretical framework for conceiving social institution among competing players. In some respect, game theory is the science of strategy, or at least the optimal decision making of independent and competing store in a strategic setting. Next, material 6, takdir and tadlis. Takdir is a condition where at the time of the transaction the whole participant transaction do not have complete information, so that uncertainty or ambiguity in the transaction. Tadlis is a condition where one party does not know the actual condition, so that those who know the information better take advantage of this condition to gain profit by the law of Tahrir and Tadlis. Tadlis is said to be haram. Takdir is said to be haram because it is a violation of the principle not to oppress as other. Next, material 7, market distortion are disturbance of the working of market mechanism. This disturbance can come from the demand or supply element that occur in a market structure problem, external problem, and public problem. Form of market distortion: 1. Extikar, 2. By Najasi, 3. Tadlis, 4. Takrir. Next, material 8, allocation of consumption between individuals. Islamic moral concept in income distribution system. Distribution in the view of Islam is based on two very basic and important human values, namely the value of freedom and the value of justice. This opinion is based on the fact that Allah as the absolute owner or what has given a mandate to humans to manage and cultivate wealth with the authority to own that wealth. Next, material 9, social welfare. Welfare according to Al-Ghazali is the achievement of benefit. The benefit itself is the maintenance of the goals of Sharif. Humans cannot feel happiness and inner peace but after achieving the real welfare of all mankind in the world through the fulfillment of spiritual and material needs. Next, material 10, definition of efficiency. Conventional concept. The term efficiency according to conventional economic can be understood through an understanding of human nature or Western style human philosophy, in which humans are the most important subject in economic activity. This conclusion is agreed upon by both capitalism and communism, but it said nothing about whether the allocation was wise. Conventional economic different fair distribution. 1. Egalitarian concept. 2. Rawlsian concept. 3. Utilitarian concept. 4. Market-oriented concept. Next, material 11, economic system comparison. Capitalism economic system, that is an economic system that gives for freedom to everyone to carry out activities, to sell goods and so on. In the economic system of capitalism, everyone is free to compete in the business to get the maximum profit. In the Encyclopedia Britannica, capitalism can be described most succinctly as what sells and produce more wealth. Capitalism itself is the system that directs that process. Okay, next, Finally, material Islamic principle in Ziswaf order. TP of Ziswaf 1. Zakat. According to the language means glowing can or God and come and double. According to the term fiqh, zakat is the level of certain askets given to certain groups with certain condition. 2. Infak. Reward. Infak come for the word anfaqa yawfiku, which means to spend or finance. The meaning of infak becomes special when it is associated with effort to realize God's commands. Okay, my bad. That's all I can explain. If there is mistake, please forgive me. Thank you everyone. See you.